Guys, creating videos usually means juggling multiple tools, tweaking settings, and spending hours on timelines. Even with AI, most platforms still put the heavy lifting on you. I'm about to show you a tool that simplifies the whole process. I am Daniel. Welcome to my channel where I make smart tutorials. Today I am diving into agent mode in CloneViral, which lets you create cinematic videos simply by talking through your idea. You don't need editing skills or technical know-how. The assistant handles everything for you. I'll walk you through how it works in real life. From planning the story to building the scenes, the agent turns everything into a finished video you can actually share. You'll get the full workflow, start to finish. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. Let's dive in. Friends, imagine never having to edit videos yourself. You just explain your idea like you would to a real person, and the system turns it into a finished clip. With agent mode in CloneViral, you can create a cinematic AI film using only a normal conversation. Right now we're in the creative agent, and it's more than just a chat. Here I can pick a specific one. For example, Marcus. He works like a real film director. He doesn't focus on single shots, but thinks about the story, scenes, and the overall flow of the video. Guys, I can either control the process myself, approving every step, or let the system handle everything automatically. I'm going with the latter. I could go frame by frame if I wanted, but the real power is working with ideas, not complicated settings. You can choose models if you like, but that's the whole point of the mode. I don't need to know which one is best. What really matters is that CloneViral brings multiple top AI models into one platform. That way I don't have to jump between tools or manage different subscriptions. Also, the platform now offers ready-made templates for videos that have already gone viral on social media. You can browse, scroll, and pick one to start your project instantly. In the templates section, you'll find a bunch of ready-made frameworks, basically proven use cases based on videos that have already gone viral on social media and racked up tons of views. Friends, let's check out a few of the most popular ones. Take Zootopia, for example.
Oh no, the time? It's going by so fast.
We have to be there soon. What if we're late?
Come on, Flash. You know the drill.
We need this report now, Flash.
You can jump straight in and use it, or you can first see how everything was created. And if you do decide to use it, you'll even get the exact prompt that was applied to generate that clip. You will also see trending options like baby dance motion or baby story video, plus a lot more.
What's going on here?
These cookies are delicious.
These are perfect if you want to promote a product or just create fun, super shareable videos for TikTok and other social platforms. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks! Guys, let's use one of these templates. I'll pick this Nano Banana storyboard clip as an example. First, I'll quickly check how it was made, then I'll just click Create Similar. You'll notice that Miles, the Nano Banana storyboard director, is already selected, so we're good to go. All I need to do now is attach a photo I want to use as the base for the generation, and hit Start. From there, Miles jumps straight into work. Almost instantly we get a full breakdown of the video. And there's a lot happening here, 39 tasks in total. But in the end, our final cinematic film is complete, with a total runtime of 45 seconds. Folks, here's the cool part. According to the agent's summary, the clip is in a 9:16 vertical format. It's split into 9 scenes, 5 seconds each, with a cinematic realism style and professional voiceover narration. It's all neatly structured into 3 acts: Act 1, Act 2, and Act 3, each made up of 3 scenes. That's a very clear director-level approach to creating. You can actually see the full narrative arc here, along with the technical highlights and all the details you'd normally expect. Inside the workspace, it's generating everything for us, from images and video clips to audio. It honestly feels like you have got a real director working behind the scenes. So, mates, let's check out the final result.
Winter swallows the world. I walk alone, carrying VK steel and stubborn breath onward. Each step was a battle against the relentless blizzard, a testament to his unyielding will. His eyes, though weary, held the fire of 1,000 battles, reflecting a sudden chill, a whisper of danger, and his blade was drawn, a glint of steel in the frozen. With a roar that echoed through the snow, he met his foe, a dance of steel and ice. After the storm, a moment of respite. The flickering fire, a beacon in the cold, offered above the heavens danced, a celestial ballet reminding him of the vast, beautiful world. With dawn came renewed purpose. The journey continued, each step now lighter, filled with hope. At last, the destination. A testament to endurance, a promise of...
This is the kind of clean, cinematic outcome we ended up with. Alright, my friends, let's wrap this up with some final thoughts. What really stands out about CloneViral Agent mode is how natural the whole process feels. You're not fighting tools or tweaking endless settings, you're just having a conversation, and the system handles the creative heavy lifting for you. From story planning to visuals, video, and even music, everything happens in one workflow. And the result isn't just impressive, it's actually usable. That's the real win. And if you want to go further, you can make your own custom agents. Whether you need a video editor, a storyteller, or a full-on creative director, you can design an assistant that works exactly the way you do. If you're excited to try it out, or if you've already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, until next time.